Professional indemnity insurers versus risk management advisors. Which one is better for creative and professional firms? Creative and professional firms face unique liability risks, and most people get this wrong by assuming insurance alone is enough. The surprising truth is that combining professional indemnity coverage with proactive risk management can dramatically improve protection and profitability. Professional indemnity insurers provide financial coverage against claims of negligence, errors, or omissions. For example, an architecture firm facing a client lawsuit over design defects relies on indemnity insurance to cover legal costs and potential settlements. Insurance gives firms peace of mind and financial security, but it does not prevent incidents from happening. Claims can still disrupt operations and damage reputations. Risk management advisors, on the other hand, focus on preventing problems before they occur. They assess operational processes, identify vulnerabilities, and implement controls to reduce exposure. For instance, a marketing agency might adopt contact templates, client approval workflows, and staff training programs recommended by risk advisors to minimize liability. This proactive approach reduces claim frequency, enhances compliance, and strengthens client confidence. The key difference is reactive protection versus proactive prevention. Insurers cover losses after the fact, while risk advisors aim to stop losses from happening in the first place. Most successful firms combine both strategies. They maintain professional indemnity coverage while actively managing risk through advisory programs, training, and process improvements. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on insurance leaves firms vulnerable to repeated or preventable claims, while only focusing on risk management doesn't protect against unexpected, high-cost litigation. The surprising truth is that a hybrid strategy, insurance backed by proactive risk management, maximizes security, reduces operational disruptions, and preserves the reputation of creative and professional firms. By leveraging both, firms can confidently navigate liability risks while focusing on growth and innovation.